Welcome to ZenDevX. In this video, we will see how to create a grid layout in the page section. Let's begin. Select the page section and click on Edit section from the top menu, or you can also press double-click to start page section editing. You can see we have a few more submenus that started appearing in the top menu. In the Layout submenu, you can see we have the option to go back to the section menu and refresh the current view. The next subsection is to copy the entire row with controls and paste it into another section of the same page, only. We follow Bootstrap CSS grid fundamentals. Grid layout consists of rows and columns. As per standard, a row can contain a minimum of 1 column and a maximum of 12 columns. Here, you can see we have one row with 1 column already created by default. Let's understand the options applied on row. The first option is to add rows. Here you can enter the number of rows to be added to this section. Let's enter 2 more rows. You can duplicate the selected row or resize the height of a row from these options. Moving rows can be possible using Move Up or Move Down options. You can set some of the style properties for the selected row like alignment, border type, border thickness, border corner style, shadow, row background color, whether this row is printable or not, whether this row is a regular or to be treated as modal header, content or footer. You can also hide the entire row from the output page. This is the area where you can specify custom classes. And the last option is to remove the row. All the relevant controls and their actions will be deleted if you choose this option. Let's see the options related to columns. Here you can see we have a single column in this row. We can split this column into multiple columns. Let's split it into 2 columns. You can see we have 2 columns in a single row. Further to this, you can specify column width using this option. Let's set the width of this column to 10 and for this column too. Moving columns can be possible using the Move Left or Move Right options. Similar to the row, we can change some of the style properties for the selected column. To remove any column, use this Remove Column option. Now, if we select this row and click the Duplicate Row option, you can see the column structure is also get copied into the new row. This will save our grid layout design time. Let's understand more about nested grid layout. Insert a single row. Select Resize Row option and give some height to this row. Split this column into 2 equal columns. Now, select column and click on the Add Rows button. You can see, as we have selected this column, you get this question, do you want a new row under the selected row column? And if we choose yes, and enter 3 to add new rows, you can see we have now a nested grid layout. So using this option, you can create any kind of complex grid layout structure to match your custom design requirement. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.